Okay, hello, welcome back to the Land Rover Toolbox videos. For the people who have never seen me on video, this is me, and here is another picture of me. Okay, just so you get a visual confirmation of what I look like, and this is me at work, and this was taken by a colleague. Now, here's a rather fetching picture of myself with a 110 on the ramp with the trailer to the left. Basically, I do more than trailers. Here's a Ford Transit, for instance, that we had to do the rear brakes. And as I keep saying in videos, things are common in engineering. Anybody who's got a TD5 and they strip the wheel bearings down, this is very similar to what the Transit rear axle is. There are exceptions, of course, because the discs are changed differently. They have a different system. It's only a disc. It doesn't have anything extensions on it. And this little baby came in with other troubles as well. As you can see, we have emulsified oil in the back axle, and this is one of the reasons for having regular inspections, just to make sure we catch things like this. Water's got in there through the breather, and luckily we've caught it in time, so there's no problem with the diff. As you can see, this is an open diff type of carrier, a little bit like the Salisbury axle. However, the Salisbury is a 4-pin. I don't personally like to be seen in videos much. I don't show my face. It's not important. What is important is that you get the ideas of what to do. So any instructional video will have hands and objects, unless you have a person standing there as reference to show you exactly what's going on. And this is basically the way I roll. Not everybody is like this on YouTube. And there are certain personalities and certain channels that have people in them. Now I'm going to give you a heads up on 3 channels that I find very, very interesting. Right, so the first one is Andy Mechanic. This guy is actually in New Zealand. He used to be a college lecturer for automotive, and I actually don't know what he's doing now, working in a motorcycle garage. However, this guy, he is brilliant. Not only does he have tool skills, but he also is very, very, very good at what he's doing.
Yeah, it's already out of its depth, isn't it? Just it almost can't really go.
The thing is, with beginners, it's absolutely right. He's doing the right thing. And I mean, I learned from this guy as well. The stuff that he's using, either picoscope or electrics, absolutely brilliant.
Oh, the fan? Yeah, I don't know. I think it's got a personality as the fan. It doesn't really know what
Anyway, I'll just go back to his main menu, because there is a lot there. Not only is he into motorbikes, but he basically covers almost everything, and it's for from beginner upwards. And like I say, this guy knows what he's talking about. And if you like personalities and somebody actually leading you through where you can see them, then this is ideal. Plus, you get the bonus of seeing the tall girls like Sam and Hannah. Things like basic skills, wiring up a relay.
Use that circuit.
There you go, easy.
Okay, I don't have a couple of bulbs at 120 watts, and the power supply probably won't enjoy that either, given the fact it doesn't quite go that high on the amperage. Well, it does, but it's in the red, so we won't bother doing that. I'll rig up a circuit using the relay, and then we can see how it operates.
I just thought I'd show you there that he's also does alternator strips and differential strips as well. I'll see if I can find one here. The playlists aren't exactly comprehensive on his main channel page, but when you scroll down and you have a look, you can see how many videos he's knocking out, and I'll tell you what, he's putting quite a few out. Now, he's only got a few subscribers, which I'm surprised about, because the stuff that he's doing is quality.
Right, so we need to get that little bobbly bit against one tooth, so we can move it around to help us, and we can twizzle that round a bit. Round to there. Okay, it looks like to me like we're actually.
So generally you get the idea what's going on. Andy Mechanic, subscribe to him and watch what he's doing, and you get the bonus of watching the tool girl as well. The other one I want to tell you about, this one's absolutely brilliant, is Britannica restorations. This guy's brilliant as well, and it's just what you guys need because he is a gearbox expert. And this is something that I don't have to do, is to show you how to overhaul a R380 or an LT77.
That's it. So now that's all in place, the next thing we're going to do is put our little shuttle in place using this little chap. If you can remember this thing here, we're just going to put some high-low seal around that, just a little smear so they don't leak.
Awesome.
Absolutely awesome. It's just great to see somebody else doing stuff and putting it over properly, especially in the Land Rover world. There are a lot of videos on here. He doesn't have many subscribers. He hasn't been on that long, but the stuff on here is absolutely fantastic. For instance, he's got the LT85, the LT77 overhaul series. From this is strip inspection and rebuild. So generally you get the idea what's going on. It's another one to subscribe to, and I strongly advise you do.
It's 9 hours.
Okay, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. That's my computer telling me that. Last but not least is Fourby 4x4. He's got some good videos on here, and we do promote his products. However, I just want to show you one video in particular that he's done recently, and that's the Detroit Trutrac. And for guys who are interested in this, I won't be covering this diff because I don't have one. However, Niels will explain what it's about.
One of the things that you can do with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some MIG welding wire, some TIG welding wire, I beg your pardon, and ram it down there and see if I can determine which way these gears are turning. So what I've got here is some aluminium TIG wire, and the reason I'm using aluminium is it's a very, very soft material. And I'm just going to cut off 3 pieces, or a couple of pieces anyway, and I'm going to shove them into the gears.
I'll just move on a little bit, and you can watch these. You can go on and watch these videos. Links will be below this video. Basically, I'll tell you, Neil is a clever chap. He's got engineering in his blood, and he knows how to get around and get simple solutions to things. And I watch his stuff, and sometimes I learn. You know, we're all learning off each other. Basically, it's the way we go. But here's a heads up on some of the channels that are about. There are plenty.
Set the preload up on these bearings.
If you want to tell me any more video channels that you think that we might be interested in to promote, if it's yours, then let us know, and then we'll give our subscribers a heads up.